I love a great glass container. So when these were kindly sent to me, I was pretty excited. But one thing right for the bat, I wanted to do the leak test. So I have water in here, and right now it's definitely doing a great job passing that. What makes these containers really unique is it has the steamer top. So that way, a lot of times we'll put our dinner leftovers in here. And then why I love the steamer top is a microwave. It seems like it'll over dry your food out. Well, you can microwave the lid and everything on here and then just open up your little steamer and it'll make your food actually soft and taste so much fresher. In addition to that, these can go in the freezer, part can go in the oven. Just do not put the silicone lid part in the oven. See, microwave, dishwasher, freezer, and oven, they're easy to clean as well. And then size-wise, so here's a bagel, too. So I'm kind of have those tightly in there, but just to give you a visual size reference of how much this will fit. And then the bagels go a little more or about halfway up as well. These containers also stack nice for putting away. And I would consider, if you're looking for great medium-sized containers, I did not think I was gonna like the steamable feature. It's my favorite feature about this. So definitely great option. Hopefully this was helpful and answered any questions you might have.